If your tendons are lagging behind, but your muscles, they have great reactive capacities and whatnot, it would make sense to focus more on isometric training. Now, that doesn't mean your tendons don't respond to eccentric training, but if you're eccentric training, your muscles respond so much faster than the tendons, your problem will be simply the change in capacity. Going to the thing of movement again, you can use various methods of exercise or resistance to provide a spiral plot of the adaptation that you would want. So if you say, don't have a lot of eccentric strength, but your tendons are good, it would make sense to focus more on eccentric training. Adaptations of eccentrics and the adaptations of isometrics, both at the tendon and the muscle, and then see how that works back to spring potential energy. Now remember, spring potential energy is a product of spring potential constant, K, and change or the strain or the deformation, delta length. You do half kx squared, that's the specific of the thing. That will be for the entire unit. Now that means both the muscle, which provides an active component, the contraction, a passive component, which is the titin content of the muscle. Titin is a protein molecule. It has a capacity due to calcium ions being activated that in active lengthening, they provide passive tension. So in active lengthening, passive tension is provided by titin molecules. It's a very big protein. You can train eccentrically and you'll increase the amount of titin that is present in these muscles. What these eccentric training protocols mean, the variable that allows you to train the way it does, means you can't have voluntary tempo. And what I'm saying is the tempo is dictated by the load, not dictated by the fact that you're counting to 5. So if you do, let's say, a 10 rep max of eccentrics, that means your 10th repetition, and this is how I use it, right? I'm not defining things, I'm saying this is how I use it. It means your 10th repetition, the 10 rep max, is the same speed when you set it down as the first. If you can't have the same speed, that means the variables change, and it's not your 10 rep max. It's a 9, 8, or 7 rep. Very simple. If you cannot do it with perfect form, it's a different exercise. You're compensating. You're no longer providing the same spiral plot.